Hello everyone, welcome to New Roots Skin and Hair Clinic. I'm Dr. Shenik, consultant dermatologist. Today I have with me a good friend of me who has flown all the way from Saudi Arabia. He was referred by many to go to Turkey, but he had seen many bad results, unrealistic hairline, and so many bad experiences from Turkey. So he chose India. One of his brother had done transplant here an year ago, who had wonderful, fantastic results. So on getting reference from him, he flew all the way from Saudi to New Roots Hair Clinic, and yesterday he undergone transplant. We can see he had grade 6 baldness, so at a very young age. So his DHT levels must have been very high. So I just bend your head. So we covered his entire scalp within one day. We have implanted around 5,000 grafts. We extracted some 4,500 from his scalp abdominal area, which has healed within one day. Also, we extracted some 900 grafts from his beard. So around 5,000 grafts we have covered. First 4 to 5 fingers, the density is maximum. Then from the mid scalp till crown, we have given average density. Also, you can see how we have covered, created his temples. The direction of them has been maintained at 15-degree angle, and also the density is most natural. Hairline, you can see the micro irregularities which have been created. We have filled them with single haired grafts. So just hoping for the results. He will be having a head full of hair with maximum density by end of 6 to 9 months. Hoping for the best results. Thank you.
Thank you.